Hello, my name is Ilya Konik and my student number is 101460488, and today I will show assignment number 2 for Android development for React Native application. So let's begin our exploration from app.js. So basically here we have a basic navigation using navigation container and the stack. So in stack I have two screens, one of them is about, another one is main. So basically it behaves as a stack data structure. Whenever we show a screen, it is put to the stack, and whenever we go back from that screen, it's popped out of a stack and goes to the top screen of a stack. So basically here we have about and main screen, and initial screen will be main. I don't think there is anything interesting left in this file, so let's go to main screen. So here we have a little bit more code. So we have API hard-coded key, which I took from a website that was provided. Actually, as well, here we have a couple of use states. One of them is for two of them is for base currency and destination currency with the initial Canadian and USD dollars, as well amount, which will be set to $1 by default, and converted amount, which will be set to null, as well as error, which will be set to empty string. Here we have a method which will be invoked on a press of a conversion button. It sets the error to null, to empty string, I'm sorry. Then it fetches the API. Then if rate which it gets from the API data destination currency is not present there, it will just simply set it to destination currency was not found. And as well, if any error occurs during our fetching process, it will just set it to error fetching exchange rate or a message of error if it exists. And what we do here is we take our data, then we parse the float from it, multiply it by rate which we get, and then we set the converted amount to the result that we fetched. So set the state and it renders our application, right? So here we have input forms for our base currency and destination currency, which basically sets them to uppercase symbols of whatever we enter there. As well, here we have two buttons. One of them is invoking get exchange rate, and in case of converted amount exists, it will show converted amount. And another one is to show about screen, and as well here we have a little section about error. In case error is not empty string, that it will show our error message. And we have a couple of styles, but I don't think that's important. Let's go here to about screen. It basically has some my student information, which is not interesting, and as well it has a button which will go back, which will pop up the screen out of our stack using navigation go back method, which we pass as a prop here. And as well, I forgot to mention that we pass a navigation as well. We use it here to go to about screen in this and that button, and as well we pass it here. So I think that's it about our application. I already connected my phone, and let me show how my application works. So basically we have Canadian USD, and I already inputted. It was initially $1, but I already played a little bit. So let's actually input some text. As well, you can see that whatever I enter, even using small letters, it converts automatically to uppercase letters by setting our state. So let's actually convert $14 Canadian to USD, convert, and we can see it converts, I hope, correctly. As well, we can see that we can change the currency, and we see that 14 rubles is only 13 cents, so bad for Russia. And let's go about screen. We can see my student information. We can go back, and as well let's enter some not existing currency and some false value here, so it will give it error. And as well, if we just do it like this, we have an error, so everything is working as expected. So that's about it. Thank you for watching and for your time. Goodbye.